So here we have my swivel impact socket set. Now, if you've got a universal joint like this type on your 3/8 drive, and you can turn on a different angle if you're trying to undo a nut or a bolt at a hard to reach position. It goes in any different angle, and then you can put your ratchet on there and do it up. So basically this set does the exact same thing, but you don't need the swivel socket. Plus these are impact, so they're designed to be stronger. So when I turn, it can stay on an angle, or like so, turn, undo, or do up, any different angle. They're a great little tool. They come in different sizes, and you can decide what type or what set you want later on. I just thought I'd show you. Now this particular set has a 6-point contact. So that's my little selection of universal impact sockets.